Let's see how to deactivate or delete your Facebook account on an iPhone. You just need to come here to the Facebook app, and then from here just go to the top on this menu. In here you're gonna look for the settings and privacy here and tap on settings. There we go. Now you just come to the account center, and from here you're gonna look for your accounts or manage accounts. And depending on the version that you have, you're gonna see accounts or manage accounts, something like that. Just tap on it, and from here you see your accounts. Here I have one for Facebook, another one for Instagram. Then I just hit manage, and from here I can select the option to move the account, deactivate the account, or memorialization. I'm gonna select here deactivation or deletion. There we go. And from here, you can deactivate the account, which is temporary, or you can just delete the account. It's up to you. Just need to select the one that you want and hit continue. And now it's going to confirm the deactivation of the account and the pages related to this account if you have some of them. And you just need to hit continue. And the next step is going to ask for the password. You just need to insert the password that you use for your Facebook account and hit continue, and it's going to delete your account or deactivate depending on the one that you're choosing. So very simple. I hope that helps. That's the way you can basically deactivate or delete your account on Facebook. Leave your comments here, subscribe to this channel, give me a thumbs up, and I see you in the next one.